everyone, this is Lori, the artist behind LauriLin Designs Soapworks. Today's soap is a special request from the owner of Community Merchants, who stocks and sells my soap in her local shop. You see, in Eastern Oregon, mushroom hunting is kind of a big deal, especially morel mushrooms. Now, like huckleberries, I don't go out and search for them on my own, but I do appreciate the folks that do. Honestly, morel mushrooms are a little bit ugly. They don't lend themselves to be very photogenic or colorful, and they're not the first ones chosen for that fairy house decor look, but they are delicious, or so I've heard. And since I got this request, I allowed myself some time to brainstorm, research, and dream about what a morel soap should be. How do I give it justice? I learned that mushroom soap is in fact a thing, and especially chaga and reishi mushroom powders have been put into soap, and of course they turn out to be great for the whole gamut of skin conditions such as acne, dermatitis, psoriasis, rosacea, eczema, ... That's nice and all, but remember, I'm a soap maker. I'm not a miracle worker. And legally, I can only make and sell soap as soap, not magical soap. And in fact, anyone selling you anything other than soap for soap purposes is not acting very legally. Just an FYI. The gray area is when customers claim the amazing benefits that certain soap ingredients produce. Again, nothing I can claim as a soap maker. And since I am that soap maker and I own my small business and I know a thing or two about label appeal, mushroom soap it is! And for your delight today, I have compiled a list of mushroom information. First of all, mushrooms are fungi. They are not plants nor animals, but in a kingdom of their own. A mushroom is the actual reproductive structure produced by some fungi. Think of it as the fruit of a plant, but the seeds are those microscopic spores. Various types of wild mushrooms grow in forests and meadows, and it is common for the local population to consume them. It is estimated that there are over 5,000 species of mushrooms worldwide. Only 20 to 25% of these mushrooms have been named, and 3% of those are poisonous. I always thought, if you don't really know what it is, don't be putting it in your mouth. So what is a morel mushroom? Morels are a spring mushroom that can usually be found between the months of March and May. And because of this very short growing period, they can be quite expensive when they are in season, costing upward to $20 per pound. These distinctive fungi have a honeycomb appearance due to the network of ridges with pits composing their caps. So morels are prized by gourmet cooks, particularly in Catalan and French cuisine. And due to the difficulties in cultivation, commercial harvesting of the wild morels has become a multi-million-dollar industry in the temperate northern hemisphere, in particular North America, Turkey, China, the Himalayas, India, and Pakistan, where these highly prized fungi are found in abundance. Northern hemisphere, that's where I live. I should probably tell you that no morels were hurt in the making of the soap today. They also too expensive for cooking, too expensive for soap making. I use that chaga and reishi mushroom powder instead. In general, mushrooms are touted for some amazing benefits. The UCLAhealth.org site has a list of 7. I'm going to list those now. Number 1, they decrease the risk of cancer. Evidently, mushrooms are a powerful source of ergothioneine. I'll spell that for you on the screen. An amino acid and antioxidant that prevents the slows cellular damage. And you just need to eat 1/8 of a cup a day to get that. Number 2, mushrooms are naturally lower in sodium. So they may help you reduce your sodium intake, and therefore they lower your blood pressure, because if you have too much sodium in your body, it can cause you to retain excess fluids. Okay. Number 3, they promote lower cholesterol as they are an excellent substitute for red meat, thus lowering calories, fat intake, and cholesterol intake, like tofu. Yeah? Number 4, mushrooms protect brain health. In a study in Singapore, participants who ate more than 2 cups of mushrooms a week had a 50% lower risk of developing MCI. Even those who ate only 1 cup saw some benefit. Number 5, they provide a source of vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium to maintain and build strong bones. Nice. Number 6, mushrooms stimulate a healthier gut because they are prebiotics that help feed the growth of the good bacteria in your system. That's very good. And number 7, mushrooms are so amazing because they help support a healthy immune system. Specifically, mushrooms contain macronutrients like selenium, vitamin D, and vitamin B. So go Team Fungi. If you like mushrooms, it might be a good idea to up that intake a little bit. Evidently, they're that amazing. So, I just wanted to remind you again that mushroom soap is still a wash-off product. And although tempting, please don't be eating the soap. You'll be getting slightly different benefits, evidently, if you use the soap. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy.